Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the iPhone and verifying prerequisites. Charge above 20%, insert the SIM or enable eSIM, and have your Apple ID credentials handy. Once done, press and hold the side button to power on, follow the on-screen hello sequence and select language and region. Make sure to connect to Wi-Fi, it speeds activation and restores. You'll be prompted for quick start if you have another iPhone nearby. Prepare that device to transfer settings, otherwise choose manual setup to continue. You now move into activation and data transfer. If you chose quick start, bring the old iPhone near and follow pairing animations to securely migrate apps, settings, and passwords. Otherwise, pick restore from iCloud or set up as new. Make sure to configure Face ID or Touch ID for secure, convenient unlock and enter a strong passcode. Once done, enable location services, Siri, and privacy settings selectively so your phone behaves as you expect. Keep patience. Large restorations can take time over Wi-Fi. Finish by updating iOS and installing key apps from the App Store. This ensures security patches and app compatibility. Once done, verify Apple ID and iCloud settings, confirm backups are enabled, and customize display, notifications, and privacy preferences to suit your workflow. Make sure to sign in to Messages and FaceTime. If activation or restore fails, restart the iPhone, try a different Wi-Fi network, or remove and reinsert the SIM. If problems persist, contact your carrier or Apple support for account or activation assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.